In this video, we're going to be looking at determining the better buy. To determine the better buy, you first need to determine the unit price. The option with the lower unit price will be the better buy. To find the unit price, you take the total price and divide it by the number of units. Problem number 1, find the unit price, $6.30 for 3 pounds of apples. The unit price there is $2.10. The directions for the next set of problems ask us to determine the unit price and determine the better buy, and round to the nearest cent unless otherwise indicated. So problem 2, we have 12 ears of corn for $3 or 16 ears of corn for $3.60. So I found the unit price for each option. Store B is going to be the better buy. Problem 3, you can buy liquid hand soap in a 6-ounce bottle for $3.60 or in a 10-ounce bottle for $5.50. Be careful with finding the unit price when you end up with something like 0.6. Be sure to make this look like money. Put a 0 at the end so you can be sure that you read that as 60 cents. You can see that when we compare the cost, the 10-ounce bottle is the better buy. Problem 4 can be done a couple of different ways. You can fill a 15-gallon tank of gas for $44.85 or buy gas for $3.20 a gallon. We're going to find the unit cost for this first option. That's $2.99 a gallon, and that will be the better buy. Problem 5, here we have another example where we end up with a 0 at the end of our number. Be sure to add that in there to make it look like money when you compare the two different options. Problem 6 is different because the first option I have written as 72 cents and the second option is written as $1.20. So be sure that you make both of these into either cents or both into dollars. And there's the answer for problem 6. Problem 7 is a little bit different because you're asked to round to 3 decimal places. Problem 8 is a little bit different just in the formatting of the question. And there are your answers for those two problems. And I do want to mention that when you go shopping, you will find the unit price on most everything that you would purchase. Here we can see the unit price is given to us in orange and it's 71.4 cents per pound. This will allow you to easily compare the options that you have available in the store to determine the better buy.